Rescue attempt 3 is about to become underway. Right. Don't laugh at him. He's in pain.
Just don't want us to get the full in, that will whack.
That would be total, like, you've been framed footage, that. Come on, just pick him up.
Is he stuck? Is he stuck? I think
It's
what? Is he stuck? Yeah, he's tangling somewhat. Shall I get some scissors? Yeah, I think you only need to cut one of them. Hold on. On the hard holding them.
You touched him. You actually touched him.
Touch the seagull.
Do you want to touch the seagull? 50p?
No.
50p a touch?
Give you a tenner if you lick it.
Go on, Ellie. Oh no.
Stop moving.
Oh, it's having a spaz.
Attempt 4 will be coming soon.